Hey guys, welcome back. Hey, I've got some models here I want to show you that I just received. I received these in the mail from Hobby Nut Models. Mark over there contacted me and asked if he could send me some kits if I'd build them. Obviously, he didn't have to twist my arm on that one. So I'm going to show you what he sent me here. All these kits are I've been eyeballing them all. When I go into Hobby Lobby and places, I'll see them, and it was gracious of him to send them to me. I appreciate that, Mark. I'm going to show you what these are. This is the 1950 Chevrolet 3100 pickup truck, and yeah, I've been seeing this one on the shelf, and he sent me this one over. What's cool about this kit, I'll show you something that's really interesting. So it's the same as this. So I have this one on my shelf. This is an older kit from this one is a copyright date 1994. So it's starting to get a little age on it. I didn't want to build this one because it's an older kit, and I like to keep my older kits on the shelf. I have a lot of them. I've had people say, "Hey, why have it if you're not going to build it?" Well, I just don't want to because I think that having those old kits in the boxes are neat. But anyway, this kit is the re-release of that kit. So Round 2 has re-released it, and they've added Union 76 decals and all. So this is going to be cool. I think I might weather this kit up. I've got a 1953, I think it is, Ford, and it's weathered, not like dirty, but worn out. And I think I might do that to this kit. I'm not sure yet, but I think that might be what I'm going to do, what direction I'll go with that one. Also, he sent me this Bronco from Revell, which is going to be really cool. This is the Baja Bronco. Now they have two. Revell also has this stock Bronco like this, same year model, but this one has bigger tires, and if I'm not mistaken, I think it may have fender flares. I don't know, I'll have to check that out when I get it open. I've got the plastic off of these so it wouldn't be such a glare, but I've not opened them and looked at them yet. So this is a really cool kit, and this one deserves some mud. That's what this kit needs. I don't know if I will mud it up or not, or just go box stock, or how I might do it, but this is a pretty cool kit here. And four-wheel drive, all four-wheel drives, they're meant for the mud, right? Might mud him up. Also, I got the 29 Ford Model A Roadster from Revell, and this is a cool kit, and gives you two options with the engines. Who wouldn't put the blower on it? Who would just put 3 2-barrels on it when you had 2 4s and a blower? I mean, really? Give me a break. But this is going to be fun. I've seen this kit built many times, and that's going to be fun to build. And last but not least here, well, not last, but this is a cool car. Outside of like the 68, 69 Charger, the Dukes of Hazzard model, that year model, this is a close number 2, the GTX. I love a GTX. I love any old Mopar. I think Mopars are just, the 60s were dominated by Mopars, in my personal opinion, and I didn't live in the 60s, but looking back at the history of the muscle cars, they ruled. And the reason they ruled is because of that. 426, 440, 383, 340, they were just all great muscle car engines. And Ford had, their great muscle car. All of them did. GTO, Pontiac had. But this is a kit that I've been wanting to get, and this is going to be a hot rod here. I can't wait to build it. Also wanted to mention Hobby Nut Models. They also carry used kits, if you want to call them used. I call them, it's like new old stock stuff that's just been on the shelf. I've got 2 kits here that are just awesome. This one being like This thing has got a copyright date of 1991. Copyright date 1991. Pro stock. These things are hard to find at a good cost. I think I only gave like 20 bucks. I don't remember what it was. It was something like that. 20 bucks or something in that neighborhood for this. You can't find it that cheap on eBay. I can promise you that. I've already looked. 50 bucks is like as low as you're going to find it. So I got this kit still in the plastic. And I also picked up this from Hobby Nut Models, Monogram 70 Plymouth Superbird. That's going to be cool. Although I probably will never build it. I'll probably just put it on the shelf and look at it and brag about all the kits I have. Hoard them up. But these are cool. So yeah, I'll set them back down here. Regardless if I bought them or if they were given to me to build, I get excited when I get new model kits. And these are so cool. Go check out Hobby Nut Models. If you'll use, let's see, discount code MCV10, that'd be like Model Car Videos 10. That'll save you 10%. Also, I'll put a link in the description. If you click on that link, it'll take you straight to Hobby Nut Models, and it will already apply the link or the discount code to your cart. So go check them out. He has also quite a bit of old NASCAR kits, and that's pretty cool to be able to see a place that has new kits as well as the older stuff, and at very, very good prices, may I add. Also has the airplanes and the armor. I'm not into that stuff, but he's got loads of that stuff as well. So go over and check out Mark at Hobby Nut Models, hobbynutmodels.com. And I'm going to get started building one of these 4. It won't be one of the top 2 quite yet, but I'm excited to do this. Thank you again, Mark. Thanks guys for watching. I'm about to tear into these things and check them out and see what's inside them. Compare this kit, the 3100 Chevrolet, with the old kit. I'm going to open them up and compare them to see what's different or better or worse, who knows. But these are going to be great kits. Thank you for watching. If you hadn't already subscribed, please do. And guys, go over to our Facebook group. My friend Chris Callan is doing a great job over there, and he's managing that group for us. And go over there and join. We're having loads of guys come over and join the group, and we just talk. That most of it is just pictures and bragging on ourselves, and that's what we like to do when we build these kits. Hey, look what I did. I've not seen a negative comment yet. So not that they're not going to be, but it's a lot of fun. So go over to the Model Car Videos Facebook group. That's also going to be linked in the description. And go check us out. Go join. There's 2 questions. In order for you to join, you have to know these 2 questions. And if you've ever built a model car, I guarantee you'll know those questions. So with that, I'm going to wrap this video up. Thank you, Hobby Nut Models, excuse me. Thank you, Mark, over there, for sending me these kits. I'm gonna have a lot of fun. I think this one's gonna have some rust on it. This one's gonna have some mud on it, and those 2. I think that one's gonna be just like it's supposed to be, and probably the same with that one. Thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and we'll see you shortly. And one of these is going to be open and going to get some glue on it. You guys take care. Bye.